A film starring Johnny Depp and Amber Heard. Depp's bandmate suggests. Legendary rock icon Alice Cooper, known for his shock rock theatrics and timeless hits, recently shared his candid thoughts on his Hollywood vampires bandmate Johnny Depp's 2022 defamation trial against ex-wife Amber Heard. In a conversation with Vulture, Cooper brushed aside the trial's sensational claims and Hollywood drama, emphasizing that it had little impact on their music tour. Cooper's insights provide quite an interesting perspective on the trial's media frenzy and its implications for Depp's public image. I never watched a moment of the trials. It was so blown out of proportion. It was such a Hollywood thing. I knew Johnny was going to win because how many people have other exes literally on their side testifying for them? That never happens. I turned it right off and said, well, Johnny will weather this storm, and when he's on stage, he's our guitar player. If you talk to Johnny about it, it was something that happened. He was just like, yeah, what's the next song? I don't know why they would televise the proceedings, right? It's because of the fame of both people, he added. He then gave a suggestion as to how the former couple could solve their issues. The best thing I said about the whole thing was, they should do a remake of War of the Roses with Johnny and Amber. Who's not gonna go see that? I'm going to see that. To make it even better, make their lawyers Angie and Brad. All you need is a really funny director, and that's gonna be a monster hit, he said. The Johnny Depp-Amber Heard defamation trial of last year gained headlines not just because of the amount of celebrity involved, but also because of the dirty details of the contentious marriage that came to light, including the presence of feces on the bed that was either deposited by a pet or a human. The trial was also televised, which led to clips being lifted by respective fans of Depp and Heard and given funky edits on social media sites like TikTok. The result was a lot of trivializing of what should have been considered a serious issue. Depp was the winner of the trial, which was held at Fairfax, Virginia. He had sued Heard for an op-ed she had penned for the Washington Post titled "I Spoke Up Against Sexual Violence," and faced our culture's wrath. That has to change. While she had not named him, Depp filed for defamation anyway. The trial ended with Depp being awarded $10 million in damages. Heard was awarded $2 million in damages as well for being defamed by Heard's lawyer, who had accused her of creating a hoax. Heard has repeatedly accused Depp of physical and mental violence, which Depp has denied.